Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. This video, I wanted to talk to you guys about my current power situation in which I am pretty much maxed out in my house here. I am using about 7 different 240 volt 30 amp outlets, and they are all pretty much over 5,000 watts. So I am unable to add any more GPUs or add even more ASICs, obviously, because ASICs, you know, these guys take over 3,000 watts, sometimes 3,600 watts. So I need to send out a bunch of these for hosting. And so this whole video, I just want to go through which ASICs I'm going to send out and which hosting companies I am going to send them to. So great segue to today's video sponsor, Terra Hosting.io. As we go along here, I will talk about them and tell you which ASIC I'm going to send them. But also, I have a few other ASIC mining hosting companies I want to send other ASICs to. So I'm going to talk about that as we go along in this video. So before I begin, I want to give away 24-hour hash rate from this AlphaPex DG1 Plus. This thing makes over $30 a day right now on the script algorithm. So just comment down below your guys' thoughts on, or if you have any ASIC miners hosted from any company, and let me know your experience, bad or good. Let me know down below, and also like this video. Okay, so I'll choose the winner after 24 hours. I'll random comment picker in the comments. Whoever wins, you guys have to contact me, contact at RedPandaMining.com with your mining pool of choice and your worker name and address from this AlphaPex DG1 Plus. Okay. Oh, Overboard Tech, I missed you, man. So guys, my basement here, my crypto mining basement, okay, this is where I have 2 different like garage bays where I am crypto mining, okay, as you all know. So I have my GPUs and then some ASICs on this side, which I have 4 240 volt 30 amp circuits, and then on this side I have 3 240 volt 30 amp circuits, okay? So you guys can see right here, and they are, I mean, this one's not maxed out, but yeah, pretty much at 24 amps. I don't want to go above the 80% rule on most of these. I mean, I think I am on some of them, but that's okay. They've been running just perfect. So I'm unable to add more hardware. And stay tuned, I am gonna start getting rid of a lot of these like smaller miners, and that's gonna be for another video. So we'll talk about that in another video. Okay, so in this area, in this garage bay, I have 3 big boy ASICs. I have a KS5L, KS5M, and then another KS5L right here. These 3 miners I am not going to be sending out for hosting because I think in the short term, or maybe within the next 6 months here, I'm probably going to be getting rid of these. As you all know, like, these are really not making much anymore, and especially at my 8 cents electric, I mean, I think I'm just breaking even on these guys. So I foresee myself probably getting rid of these in the next couple months. Who knows, unless Kaspa decides to like 3 or 4x, then these things will be fine for mining. But at the meantime, I'm keeping these with me just in case I am gonna, like, I don't know, get rid of these or sell these or whatever. So I just wanted to update you guys on my Kaspa miners here. But now I have 3 big boy ASICs here, which are on my GPU mining shelf, which they are not supposed to be on my GPU mining shelf, because I have actually been wanting to eventually add more Octaminers going on the bottom of this shelf here, just to have this whole thing as an Octaminer, all GPU mining wall. Okay, even though, you know, GPU mining is dead, I still believe that GPU mining is going to come back one day, but that's going to coincide with like the whole altcoin season and Bitcoin going up and everything. Let's talk about the ASICs I'm going to send off for hosting. So the first one I want to talk about is my Bitmain KS5 Pro. Okay, this thing here is a Kaspa miner and is the only profitable Kaspa miner because of its efficiency. So I'm actually going to be sending this off to Terra Hosting.io. They just opened up 4 megawatts of available power for hosting. So if you guys are interested, go check them out, link down below. I'll have the email. You guys can contact Mike at contact@terrahosting.io. Tell them RedPandaMining sent you for a discount, all right? So if you guys are interested in hosting, they opened up 4 megawatts. So I'm gonna be sending my KS5 Pro here, this one, to Terra Hosting, and that's gonna be awesome. And some of you guys may know, I actually already have 5 other ASIC miners hosted with Terra Hosting right now, and they have awesome Foreman software where I can see my ASICs, I can change the pools, all that stuff. It's really great. I've had amazing uptime with them and really no downtime at all. And if I had any issues, I just contact them and they'll be able to take care of it right away. So this guy is going to Terra Hosting, and just a quick update, I am keeping track of the mine and hodl on this KS5 Pro. Just to show you here, okay, this thing has mined about 2,200 bucks worth of Kaspa, or about 19,050 Kaspa over the past 4 to 5 months here. 4 months, I think. 4 months since I've been running this KS5 Pro. Have I gotten the initial investment back of, I think, $9,000 or $10,000? No, definitely not. But we're mining and holding for the future price appreciation, or hopefully future price appreciation, not financial advice, of Kaspa. Right now it's 12 cents. So in order for me to break even on this KS5 Pro, I need to see Kaspa at least, you know, do a 4 or 5x, you know, also equating my electricity that I've been paying for this thing out of pocket, because I'm mining and holding all the Kaspa, you know, for the future. All right, so, but I'm gonna be sending this off to Terra Hosting, so thank you, terrahosting.io. Again, link down below if you guys are interested. They also sell ASIC miners through their terrahashes.com. If you guys are interested, use code RPM for 1% off, or contact Mike at contact@terrahosting.io and tell him RPM sent you for a discount. Okay, next ASIC I want to talk about, I'm going to be sending off, is the AlphaPex DG1 Plus. This is the 14.4 gigahash model at, I think, about, yeah, 3950 watts. Takes a lot of power. But I'm going to be sending this off to iowamining.io. He is a fellow content creator as well, Iowa Crypto Mining, and also a good buddy of mine. I play games with him, and he owns a container with, I think, about almost 2/3 available hosting left, okay? So if you're interested, check out iowamining.io. I'll have a link down below. He's also got YouTube videos on YouTube showing his journey in starting up his hosting journey, essentially, and his container. So go check him out. I'll have his YouTube channel linked down below, okay? So this AlphaPex DG1 Plus is going over there. That should free up pretty much like 4,000 watts for me. Okay, and then lastly, I have the Iceriver AL3. Now, this one here, I am going to be sending off to Metered Mining. You guys have probably seen my tour of Metered Mining a couple months ago. And so, yeah, this Iceriver AL3, I'm going to send off to them for hosting, but not yet. I don't believe they have available slots right now, but they will. So they are full, but I'll eventually send this away to Metered Mining unless Alephium mining is not very good anymore. So I know right now the price has been depressing, and also the network hash rate for Alephium has been climbing. So I will play by ear regarding the Iceriver AL3, but I do want to send this away for hosting as well when that time comes. So that should free up like a good, like, I think if I equated all 3 of these together, like 10,000 watts, you know, that I have right now mining. And that should then free up my GPU mining shelf for me to be able to run more GPUs here. Now, you guys are probably asking, Red Panda, are you sure you want to add more GPUs? And that's something I have to play by ear. I have a lot of other GPU mining locations already, as you all know, the barn, the basement, and yeah, but if I can add another 6 more, I think 6 more, you know, Octaminers this way to fill up this whole area, and then just have all GPUs, then yeah, that's something. I have my tower rigs here. That's something, you know, I want to do. But anyways, guys, that's all I want to do in this video. Links down below to all the hosting companies. You know, why not get your ASIC miners hosted, especially at a lower rate, right? That makes sense, because for people that have higher than, let's say, 9 or 10 cents electric, you might as well get them hosted, because you don't have to worry about the power infrastructure, you don't have to worry about the noise, and they have the support and the ability to service them and all that stuff as well if you had issues. So that's where I find a lot of value in hosting ASIC miners with, you know, people I trust, like Terra Hosting, you know, Iowa Crypto Mining, and Metered Mining, of course. Okay, so those are the 3 companies I trust. I do have another hosting company I trust in Canada, which is named Decentral, which is on my website, RedPandaMining.com. You guys can see my list there. Also my trusted links and coupons for all the different companies if you want to buy ASIC miners. But I don't recommend Decentral for the gas flare. Okay, they have gas flare, which is very, very unreliable and goes off like every day or every other day. So I wouldn't recommend gas flare, even though it is cheap. But I recommend their other hosting side, which is in Ontario, I believe, which is all on hydro, okay, which is a lot more reliable, and I haven't had any downtime there. So yeah, links down below to all the different ASIC mining hosting companies if you guys are interested. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out. Oh man, I hope Kaspa's gonna make it. Kaspa, you better make it.